kay Max.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Vietnam. Gunwavisa sithole ID Nwavisa sonjika egazini otetayo, and you know what, we are on vacation. Tell me, how are these lashes and these nails so cheap? Like, Vietnam, you'll always be the girl that you think you are. So I landed in the morning. I landed at around 10:30, and my nail appointment was for 12, and I was right on time. This is how they look, and then yeah, they're so cute. It's like nail extensions, and they're really cute. I was like, give me holiday nails, honey. I want all of that. And after that, I went to the lash tech. Can you please give a round of applause for these lashes? Oh, and I have a nose ring for the holiday. So it's one of those that you just clock in. But because I had a piercing, it'll obviously look like I've pierced, even if I haven't, you know? So a holiday Nwavisa has clocked in. Sonsanim Nwavisa has clocked out. As I was saying, holiday Nwabi has clocked in, and Sonsanim teacher Nwabi has clocked out. So it's Sunday today, and the time is, I think, let's see, it is 3:20. I'm gonna go check out the pool upstairs and the hotel amenities the things that the hotel provides, okay? And then we are gonna go look for something to eat for dinner, okay? Yeah, this is day one outfit check for YouTube. Hey guys, outfit check. I'm wearing sandals. from South Africa actually helps with this transport situation, because tell me why I'm not afraid to cross anywhere in the road, because there's really like no decent road rules up. Look. Right. Yeah, okay. But I'm walking back to my hotel now. I got myself some snacks for the night. It lights up really well. Home sweet home. Guys, I'm so early. Kuya, she's Asia. Asia is hot. I'm gonna do a haul for you guys. I bought some things, some snacks. Flaming hot Cheetos. This is something I've always wanted to try, but Kupang makes it so expensive. So flaming hot Cheetos, Toonies, which is a cheese snack, but with the Mexican, so it's like, I guess chili cheese snack. And then these truffle lace. I will not miss an opportunity to buy fruits, because la ngifuma khona ziyakhala. Sour gummies. I bought these because they said no fat, meaning sugar free and no gluten. Okay. And I got myself some Nivea lotion because I forgot to pack lotion. And then I got myself a couple of waters that I'm gonna need tomorrow. Shemyazi hotel yam izena ma fruits, kitty fruits, free fruits for me, bananas, some plums, I don't know what this is, and a peach. So yeah, that is it from day one. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I am going to separate day one because I feel like there's a lot. There's like me coming back from the airport, like me coming from the airport, and the snippets of me doing my nails and doing my lashes. Today, so I think 2 days is on Repalana, and then day 2, which is tomorrow, we'll probably tie up with day 3. But otherwise, yeah. So I think I'm gonna edit this video and have it premiere when I leave this place. And then no day 2, no 3 will be together. Day 4, no 5 will be together. No day 4, 5, and 6 together. Day 5 also by because I'm having a full day in Banana Hills, and then day 6, which is the last day, I'm going to the market and all of that. I'm going to do that. I'm gonna tie that with day 4 or something. But that's all for today. Welcome to Dada. I decided to use the hotel services to iron my clothes because I couldn't pack them the way I packed them and iron them. So they just brought them in. They're ironed and ready for me to do the outfits and all. So you're gonna see them when I wear them, but otherwise, this is the true end of day 1. They just brought this in. It's about, I think it's 10 o'clock now. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. And my outfits are steamed and ready to be slayed, okay? So good night, guys. Gizonbona on day 2 of the vlog, okay?
I begin to